everyone! Welcome to the team, and if you don't know it yet, this one right here is my baby Hailey, and we are here to just give you a quick overview of what you can expect from Team Laika this 2019. Now, the first thing that I want you guys to be excited for, which I hope you would be, is yung ating bagong-bagong channel intro. Okay? Now, bakit ako gumawa ng channel intro? Ang reason is kasi some of you complain na ang haba-haba ng intro ko pag nagsasalita ako sa mga videos. And honestly, yung intro kasi na yan, nag-evolve yan. Hindi ko yan sinasadya, pero nag-evolve kasi yan from yung mga luma ko pang videos na hindi ko pa alam kung paano i-introduce yung sarili ko at yung channel. And, yun, nag-evolve na lang siya. Tapos sometimes, kasi pag nakakalimutan ko sabihin yung intro na mahaba na yun, some people complain na parang, Kush, namimiss ko yung lumang intro. So, I got stuck with it, basically. And this year, we are going to change that. I hope you enjoy that, na maikli na yung channel intro natin. And I hope you like it. So, that's the first thing that we're going to do. Ibuboop natin si Hailey. Bebe, Hailey, look at them. Look at them. Okay? So, you know, let's watch the channel intro. Right? Alright, I hope you liked it. So, simple, maikli. Pero nandun pa rin yung subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now, yung subscribe kasi at saka hit the bell icon, the reason why I'm asking you to do that, honestly, is because YouTube changed a lot since I started doing this. And one of the changes that they made, which I honestly didn't like that much, and a lot of the other creators didn't like then, is that even if you're subscribed to the channel, kapag hindi nyo hinit yung bell icon, minsan nag-upload kami ng bagong video tapos hindi nyo na siya nalalaman. Sometimes, sasabihin sa inyo na, oh, may bagong video ang Team Laika. Minsan wala. So, yun yung nangyari recently. Bebe, talaga nahihiya ka ba o gusto mong ikaw yung makita nila? Hindi nakita si Mami ah. Sug natin unti. Yan. Okay, anyway. Tinakpan niya uli ako. Artistahin? Ang goal talaga why you have to hit the bell icon is para ma-notify kayo, magkaroon kayo ng notification kapag may mga bagong mga videos para wala kayong ma-miss. And I thank you guys, yung mga notification squad natin dyan, yung mga loyalista ng Team Laika na kakapost pa lang ng video, may nagko-comment na minsan ng first o kaya ng hi coach, and I appreciate that a lot. If you notice, hindi lang ko lang nasasagot lahat ng mga comments ninyo. That's because I have been trying to I've been trying to stay away from the comment section. I know, baby. I know, baby. So, nagpaalam na yung aking co-presenter. Inaagaw niya yung frame. Hindi na ako kita kung napansin ninyo. Naaliw yata siya makita yung sarili niya sa screen. Another thing na I want to talk to you about is yung schedule ng mga posts. For the past 3 years, the channel started December 2015. So, the past 3 years, sobrang frantic yung pace ng paggawa ko ng videos. Sometimes, I would make up to 6, 8, 10 videos a week. Yeah, sobrang pag ngayon ko iniisip, ang overwhelming din niya. Ang reason for that is because I was so desperate to teach you everything I possibly could in such a short amount of time. Parang, alam niyo yung nagmamadali ako kasi baka at any time bigla akong makunin ni Lord or something na hindi ko magawa lahat ng gusto kong gawin for you guys. So, sobrang mabilis talaga yung pace. And I know some people complain dahil mabilis ako magsalita or mabilis yung mga lessons. Pero, ang reason din for that is kasi kapag humaba yung lesson, kapag babagal ako magsalita at mahaba yung lesson, yung iba nagko-complain din kapag more than 20 minutes na yung lesson. Wala ka talagang gagawing tama minsan sa ibang tao. So, na-realize ko yan recently. Kaya I've been trying to stay away then from the comment section. Hindi ko na masyadong siniseryoso lahat kasi na-down lang ako when I noticed that. So, honestly, bakit mabilis din yung videos? I'm not trying to make an excuse. I'm just telling you how it is. Minsan kasi guys, what I do, kasi you know I do travel to teach and I have a lot of things on my plate. Dami rin akong ginagawa. Ang ginagawa ko usually is when I film lessons, back to back ko siya film. So for example, yung lessons na, kaya language lessons, nakapila yan sa isang gabi, minsan, kasi I still record lessons kapag gabi. Kasi doon tahimik yung bahay, walang maingay, walang kapitbahay na naghahabulan, or mga motor na umaharurot. Pinifilm ko about 4 or 5 lessons a night. Tuloy-tuloy yun. So, you could imagine kung, kunyari, nag-film ako ng unang lesson for the night, tapos marami pa akong kailangan gawing lessons. Siguro, nagko-contribute din yan dun sa kung bakit mabilis ako magsalita. Another reason is kasi mabilis talaga ako magsalita in person and in real life. Usually, binabagalan ko na para makahabol yung iba. or para mas maintindihan ako sa ibang tao. Pero hindi ako mabilis magsalita. Nailig ko yung, ng utak ko yung na mabuo yung train of thought ko. Another reason is kasi marami ang nakakatulog kapag mabagal masyado yung lesson. And I feel na mas maganda kung ganito yung pace para hindi kayo kampante. It keeps you on your toes. Someone just posted a comment just recently na gusto daw niya yung fast na pace kasi na-exercise yung brain niya, which is exactly what I mean to do by doing this. Kasi kapag naghahabol kayo sa pinakikinggan ninyo, hindi kayo mag-doze off. I think lahat kayo naranasan nyo na yan. Ako naranasan ko rin. Alam nyo yung nakikinig ka sa isang bagay, nanonood ka ng TV or may pinapanood ka na series. Tapos yung dahil mabagal yung nangyayari or wala masyadong nangyayari, yung parang lumulutang na yung utak mo, parang lumilipat na, iba na yung iniisip mo. Ganon. Yun yung ayokong mangyari habang nanonood kayo ng lessons. Another thing, kahit anong complaint, I want to point out, kahit ano pong complaint ninyo na bagalan ko yung pagsasalita ko, hindi ko na mababagalan yung mga existing na videos. But what you could do would be to change the speed. Let me walk you through that, okay? I'll show you and I'll switch over to my screen para makita ninyo actually kung paano yung gawin. Alright, so I hope you know na kung paano i-slow down or i-speed up yung mga lessons. I've read some comments na sinasabi na hindi, okay lang yung speed. Actually, times 1.5 ko pa nga. So, depende yan talaga sa tao. So, kung gusto niyo yung mabagal, kung nabibilisan kayo, bagalan niyo na lang yung playback speed, okay? Kasi hindi ko na ma-re-record yung mga lumang lessons. So, for example, nabibilisan kayo doon sa lesson ko ng subject-verb agreement. Counterintuitive naman at counterproductive kung mag-shoot pa ako ng panibagong lesson on the same topic na mas mabagal. Diba? Kasi sayang yung oras na gagamitin ko doon instead of me just making a new lesson na hindi nyo pa napapanood or hindi ko pa natuturo sa inyo. So, again, I apologize if you don't enjoy it that way, pero there are limitations naman in life. And again, libre na. Huwag na masyadong mareklamo. Okay? That's just a joke, pero half-meant. Yeah, definitely. Anyway, I just want to give you a quick rundown nga ng what to expect this year. So, this year, pagdating sa mga new video lessons, I will keep my promise to you guys. There will be one new video lesson every week. Now, last year, kung napapansin niyo, kahit na sinasabi ko na one new video lesson every week, it's usually at least 2 new video lessons every week na nagawa ko last year. Now, we have about 300 or I think more, 300 or more videos na free here on this channel that you can use to study. And I think it's about time that I get to kind of slow down din pagdating sa paggawa ng videos. And I hope that would be helpful for you guys din kasi by reducing the amount of videos I produce every week, hopefully ma-increase natin yung quality ng videos. And hindi rin ako ganun ka-frantic at hindi rin ako maging unhealthy sa process. Kasi honestly, I haven't been resting enough since 2015, since I made this channel. Kasi lagi ako naghahabol na makagawa ng bagong lesson all the time. Just because I don't want to leave you guys hanging. Ayoko na yung tipong masagasaan ako or malaglag yung plane ko sa langit. Tapos, hindi ko pa nagagawa yung mga lessons for you. And with 300 videos existing so far, I think that's more than enough to help you guys. Anything that I make in the future would just be additional. Now, bakit? Kasi I think enough na yun for you to pass. Kung matyaga kayong manood, matyaga kayong mag-follow, matyaga kayong mag-practice. Now, I admit, marami pa akong gustong ituro sa inyo. Marami pa akong maitutulong, I hope. Like, for example, sa punctuation marks, I have a series on that. I haven't started, or I haven't finished yet. Marami pang mga lessons like yung mga compound interest and stuff na gusto ko rin maituro sa inyo. Volume, surface area, all of those things. Pero, ano na yun eh. I guess, pandagdag. Kasi yung kahit kung aasa kayo doon sa mga existing palang na libre, ang dami nang nakapasa with just those 300 plus videos. So, I think this year, sabi ko nga, I tweeted this a few days back. Sabi ko, this year, I plan to do less so I can be more. And that's the goal. So, ang promise ko sa inyo would be one new video lesson every week. Pag ginanahan, maybe more. Yun yung on the lesson side. Pero I will try to keep posting other stuff din. Like, some of you are requesting na ibalik yung Sunday motivation. I may not be able to do that every week, but I will try to do more of those this year. Yung study hacks natin, I'm going to add more. Get hired, I will be adding more. Pero hindi ko maipapromise na may schedule yun. So, for example, ang goal ko, honestly, next week, ang goal ko makapag-post ng at least isang Math Monday lesson or isang Wordy Wednesday lesson. Tapos, kung magdadagdag man ako doon, ano na lang, bonus na lang yun. Pero ang pinaka-priority natin is one new video, lesson every week. And I hope you guys understand. Now, another thing I want to tell you about na I'll be making this year ay more quick quiz videos. Ano ba yung quick quiz videos? These are videos na basically paired sa existing video lessons. Tapos pwede nyo gawin yung quiz, tapos I'll explain kung paano yun sagutan. I'll make more of those this year. I-prepare ko kahit dun sa mga lumang videos that I already have. So for example, I already discussed things like mixture problem. Pero wala yung quick quiz kasi dati ko pa yung nagawa. So what I would do this year is I will make more quick quizzes for those topics para mas marami kayong mapag-practicean. Okay? And if you haven't seen yung mga quick quizzes, I'll make a playlist. I'll link it here. You can answer those. Yun yung mga nagawa ko na last year. I'll be making more of those this year. Another thing that I'm going to change this year is I'm going to make more live study sessions. I will try to hold study with me sessions na more regularly, maybe once a month or twice a month, in which I will just go live stream yun. Tapos kung may mga questions kayo, you can send it in. I will also talk about certain topics, so for example, fractions, or decimals, or radicals, or any lesson. Tapos, yun, mag-aaral lang tayo together, naka-live sa YouTube. Okay? Kasi I feel mas nag-enjoy ako doon kasi nakakapag-interact tayo personally, nakakausap ko kayo. Kasi yung mga videos lang, pag pinost ko, tapos nag-comment kayo, I do read your comments, pero hindi ako lagi nakakapag-respond right away. So, mas maganda yung live na mga study sessions na yun. Which brings me to my next point. Dito, again, click the I button. There will be a poll. Anong araw ninyo gustong gawin yung mga live study with me sessions? Okay? It's definitely going to be on a weekday. Kayo lang mamimili kung gusto nyo kung Thursday or kung gusto ninyo ng Friday. Thursday or Friday. So, sabihin nyo sa akin kung ano yung mas preferred ninyo na time na mag-aral tayo. Ang thing lang kasi is, I know kapag Friday, minsan yung iba may mga lakad, kaya hindi ko sure kung Friday tayo gagawa. Hindi kasi pwedeng Saturday or Sunday, kasi alam ko yung iba sa inyo na walang internet access pag weekends, and also kapag weekends kasi minsan, or kadalasan, I'm out of town. So, yun yung dahilan kung bakit yun. So, mamili kayo Thursday or Friday, kung ano yung sagot nyo dyan, yun yung susundin natin for the first ever na Study With Me session. Hopefully, more people want that or participate. Kapag maganda ang response ninyo, I'll keep doing that for the rest of the year. Alright? So, that's it. And I really hope you join me throughout this entire process. Medyo late na ako nag-film, kaya ganito. Medyo maputla na tayo at iba pa. And Hailey is trying to get me to go outside of the room na rin. Kumakatok na siya. So, I really have to go. Thank you guys. And again, I'm really grateful for you guys who are part of the team. I tell you guys this all the time. You're the team, you're the important players. I'm just your coach, and I'm here to help you with everything na kaya kong ibigay sa inyo. But I hope that you help yourself too. So never stop learning, guys. Adya kaya niyan. I'll see you in the next video. I'm excited for 2019. I hope you are too. Sana napanood niyo yung Dream On ko na video, yung I Dare You na video for this year. And I really dare you to dream big this year. And hopefully, pagtrabahuan natin, pagtulungan natin, maabot ninyo yung mga pangarap ninyo. Okay? Thanks, guys. Bye for now.